You open your eyes and the sun is gone. No heat. There was no light. No life. Just darkness and ice. But here's the weird thing. It's happened before, and maybe it will happen again. We used to think of the sun as eternal, but it has an age, a date of birth, and the day of its death. If you love the universe, secrets, and want to find out what really lies behind this bright star, stay tuned. Better yet, subscribe. Because we show space in a way that NASA doesn't show it. 5 billion years ago. In one of the arms of our galaxy, in a cloud of dust and gas, something irreversible has begun. Gravity compressed the hydrogen cloud. The molecules began to collide. The temperature has increased. Up to 15 million degrees. That's how the sun was born. But at this moment, it was still a protostar child. It didn't emit light like it does today. It was just learning to burn. And so, millions of years later, the main process that we call the life of a star began. Nuclear fusion. The sun is a giant reactor. It converts 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second. And it loses 4 million tons of mass, turning it into clean energy. Imagine that. This energy, bursting out, moves through the layers of the star for hundreds of thousands of years before reaching the surface. And then, in just 8 minutes, it reaches your face. The sun is not just a fireball. This is the rage of gravity and quantum physics, so powerful that if it suddenly turned off, all life would disappear in less than a week. But the sun is not always stability. Periodically, it ejects coronal masses, flares that can erase electronics on Earth. In 1859, such an outbreak, the Carrington event, burned down telegraph stations across Europe. If this had happened today, we would have plunged into a global blackout. Without GPS, without communication, without the internet, and it can happen at any moment. On its surface, tsunamis are constantly raging, several Earths high. His light is not white, not yellow, but actually green. It's just that the Earth's atmosphere distorts it. It holds 99.8% of the total mass of the solar system. There are giant magnetic anomalies at its poles. Scientists still don't understand why every 11 years the poles change places. Now the sun is in the middle of its life. He still has about 4.5 billion years to spare. But then the red giant will start. It will swell up. Mercury will swallow up. Then Venus, and maybe even the Earth. The temperature on our planet will rise to 2,000 degrees. The atmosphere will evaporate. The oceans will boil. But even this is not the end. When the helium runs out, the sun will shed its outer shell, and a white dwarf will remain, a shimmering coal ball the size of the Earth, but with a mass like a star. By then, we have two options: to die with the planet, or move to other stars. Theoretically, it is possible. Technology is developing faster than our sun is aging. But is there a chance that it will explode sooner? Or will someone, or something, affect its stability? Did you watch it to the end? Here's your crazy bonus. When you look at the sun, you're looking at the past, because the light from it takes 8 minutes to fly. You see something that is no longer there. Now imagine, if it had disappeared right now, you would have found out about it. Only in 8 minutes.